Christian Styles back for another video, you guys. And so this one is gonna be a pretty cool one. So the people that went ahead and put themselves in the birthday fundraiser, the birthday fundraiser is now over. Birthday fundraiser was basically, I was looking for a project, or I was bringing a project to YouTube, and I was going to reveal what that project was on my birthday. Now, currently recording this is July 18th. My birthday is July 20th. But, however, I am super excited because I got that thing, that gift for myself, my birthday gift. And I am actually so very thrilled to show it to you guys. It's early morning here at Amazon. This is actually DAB2 in Daytona, Florida. I'm so excited to be here. And so without further ado, I guess I can show you the Suburban is here too. But that's not what I'm here to show you. Oh my god! Okay, so this is her. When I tell you I have been looking for a clean DeVille, just in case you guys didn't know what this was, it is a DeVille, for the longest time. Guys, take a look at this, guys. This is the original window sticker. This is a one-owner vehicle. Look at it. 4.6 liter North Star V8, automatic transmission with overdrive, white lightning exterior color with shale interior. Okay, roadside assistance, standard price, $1,000 worth of options. That was the total vehicle price. These are all the standard equipment options that it comes with. Front wheel drive, Magna rack and pinning steering, front mag Purston struts, which are still on there, auto electric level control, which still works, the air suspension, the four-wheel independent suspension, that still works, the four-wheel anti-lock disc brake still works, all-speed traction control, 16-inch, those are 17-inch alloy wheels, so those must not be the original wheels, because those are 17-inch wheels on there now. 275 horsepower, and also used in other GM models. Luxury comfort convenience package, the leather seating surfaces, the 10-way driver and front passenger power seat, the tilt and steering with audio and climate, fingertip controls, which is, you know, on the steering wheel and whatnot. You know, all of these. You guys can just pause and read the rest if you guys are so inclined. 18 miles per gallon. This is probably the first car that is up that high for me. There's not 13 or 10 or 12 or something. And then 26 miles of the gallon. I said 25 miles of the gallon, but that's even better. So my mom will be pretty pleased to see that. Yeah. So that's the original window sticker. So proves that I do in fact know what I'm doing, Mom. Bam, I always find these really good finds. They might not be completely perfect, but for the most part, they're perfect. So, and then all the instruction booklets, and then there's is there any more notes? notes in here? No. Well, there's service records too that go along with it inside this little packet here, which maybe one day I'll go over and show you guys. But in any case, this is the little Cadillac booklet that every Cadillac car has. I have one for the Escalade, I have one for this car, and luck of the gem, I have one for the Suburban too. What a really good find. I absolutely love that. And look at her over there. Look at her over there. Can I? The sun is. Look at her over there. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. I wish I could really see it. I can't see in the dark. Just know that she's. Could have just put the flash on. Back this way. White lightning paint, baby. Oh my god, look at that bitch shimmer. That bitch shimmer. It's shining like a motherfucker. Shining like a motherfucker, yeah. So, basically, I have been looking for a DeVille for the longest time. Now, she's not perfect by any means. She has been sitting for two years. She's been sitting for 2 years. And she needs a fuel pump. She needs a couple things. Okay? Well, actually, fuel pump, but mostly a clean and detail and window tint. And all the other stuff she needs is not for the functionality of the car. It's just for me, aesthetically. Like, she's missing a couple hubcaps, and I really do mean a couple. And the window guards will cover up some of these paint problems, but I was planning on wrapping this anyways, so really doesn't matter. All the paint discrepancies. This is white lightning. Okay. This is white lightning. Alright. And this was a sticker that has peeled off, but I can get the rest of it to come off eventually, just not right now. Yep. And she is locked at the moment. I shouldn't have locked her. So that I could show you guys how she's looking. Okay, she's a big girl, guys. She's a big girl. She's a big girl. And, I mean, she is S Class long. With the digital gauges, guys. Now, I have some panel gaps and whatnot. This window tint needs to come off. Oh, the dirty smudges need to come off. Okay, got that off. So the window tint needs to come off and be redone. A couple things that I can do to her to bring her back to life. Now, the headlights will obviously be replaced. The grille will be replaced. There's the other hubcap that's missing. Just ignore the white stuff because that's conditioner. I literally washed her with body wash and conditioner because that's all I had at the time. Everything here was covered in mildew because it was sitting for so long. Like everything, the whole car was riddled in it. And I cleaned it up best I could. But honestly, I think she looks pretty good for a 20-year-old girl. Same thing with the Suburban over there. So this is not flexing. This is not keeping up with the Joneses. This is not, what did my mom call it? An image thing. It's not a flex to have a 20-year-old car. That's number one. Anyways. So I needed something that had fuel efficiency. So I went ahead and I got a DeVille. So I can get my 25 miles to the gallon and peace and harmony. Now she's a long car. She's as long as the Suburban, literally. If I had parked the Suburban straight, you could really see that she literally is as long as the Suburban. She's a really big car. She's a really big car. And the trunk, oh, should I show y'all the trunk? The trunk is in disarray right now, but because the fuel pump thing is under there. But this is the trunk, y'all. Like, I could fit 5 bodies in here. Fuel door release, that's like the emergency release. Even see, like, there's parts that still need to be cleaned. This was gross. It was all like black like that, but I cleaned some of it. Yeah. Alright, guys. And a little bit about the DeVille. The DeVille was the very first car in history that has a LED lights. It was the very first car in production, not just Cadillac production, but production period, with LED taillights. That's LED, but it doesn't really work. Those are LED. The reverse lights are LED, and it's just so nice. And they have HID lights in the front because this is a luxury car. Those right there are the cornering lamps, so when you turn the wheel to the left or to the right, those lights come on. I don't think they work though, because when I was turning the wheels, nothing was happening when I was turning the wheel. But maybe it's because the car wasn't all the way on, because the car has to be on for that feature to work. It was just in accessory mode, so that's probably why it didn't come on. But as of right now, because I can only drive one car at a time, the Suburban is going to take me home, and this is going to stay here at DAB2 until next week, where I can come and actually pick it up, take it home, get it ready, do all those things. I'm going to get my Amazon cart ready for it because I have a couple things that need to be purchased. I wonder if I can find another bumper, because I don't like the marks that are on this bumper. I don't like that at all. Yeah. But I'm pretty sure I can probably get touch-up paint and cover that. Decisions. I don't know, but I'm definitely getting touch-up paint for this spot here. But honestly, that spot and this spot on the door handle is probably the biggest defect on the entire car. For it being as old as it is, like a couple spots. But the ones that actually stand out, oh, and the trunk is a big one. As you can see, the clear coat has come off. Nothing has happened to the paint, just the clear coat's coming off. So you can tell here at the edge. And I tried to clean her the best I could, but she's showing a little dirt, but not really. But well, maybe I can only see that because I'm standing in front of it in person, but it looks pretty good from on camera. So here she is. This is it, guys. What do you guys think? Leave your comments down below, your experiences, all of that. I love to hear from you guys, and your happy birthday wishes and everything in the comment section down below. This was just a little reveal video, and then other more formal videos will be coming soon. And that plate is definitely coming off because I have to make it match. Alright, well, that's it, guys. If you guys like the video, hit the like button, share with your friends, comment down below, subscribe, hit the bell notification, hit all, so you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. And as I always say, guys, stay perfectly imperfect, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.